now we're gonna show you here. Can you see this screen? I hope so. Share screen. If I change the screen, is it showing that? Let's see. Yes, it looks like it is. Okay, so here's a company, Siete Foods. They do kind of like grain-free, corn-free tortillas and stuff. Great company. That did 200 million in sales last year. I just listened to their podcast where I went over their story. Love this brand. We eat it. Okay. Are they running ads? Okay. Now, what happened? Like, I don't know if they're running ads. Well, check it out. It became a rule. I believe there was some sort of legislation that made this happen. But there is a section here when you go to anybody's Facebook page, not a person, but a brand. Okay. So this is their brand, facebook.com/Siete Foods, capital S, capital F. You go here. If I go to page transparency here, and then I say, good, I want to see it. It gives you some information. Who manages it? Okay, they have 14 people in the US, 4 in Canada, 1 in Colombia. Okay, it gives you some information who did it. This page was created, Must Be Nutty. That was their original name, kind of funny. They changed their name to Siete Family Foods. Okay, good. This is all fine and cool. But this is the gold. Ads from this page. This page is currently running ads. Go to Ad Library. You click it here. Boom, every ad that they're running on their Facebook ad manager, okay, and you by Facebook, Instagram, I guess, or Messenger, you can literally see this, and it filters by impressions by date. Okay, so they're running about 37 different ads, and you can see right here. This is awesome. Look at this, and you can see when they started running this ad. So they started running this at March 23rd, 2021, and you can see the video. Okay, good. That's the ad. Pretty simple. A little tortilla bag, some little things, and it loops, and it gives you the text. Now, if you want to see probably the most successful ads, you're gonna go down to the ad that was created most in the past. Okay, this was created on October 27, 2020, and it is still running. So probably this is a very successful ad right now. Okay, and it looks like, I guess here tells you what they're running it on. This one, see ad details. I don't see the video images. I find for whatever reason. I think you can click on it. Let's see what happens. Go see ad details. Yeah, for some reason I don't know what happened. Maybe they didn't use images there. It's kind of funky. But then this one started 28 October 2020. Here it is. Boom. There's the ad. That's what it looks like. Their enchilada sauce. Okay, very cool. And then you could see the information, again, the page, and then this does the ad. So it gives you the call to action, shop now, gives you this information at the bottom, the video, and you could just check all this stuff. Let's see. You can copy the ad link and share it with somebody. So if you take that and you paste it, then you can just see that thing right away. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, then from there you could go to all ads again, and then see just these see all ads. Okay, here you go. Boom, this one was March 18, and you could just see, like, this gives you creative ideas of like what ads you could run for your brand, for your products. You know, check anybody, maybe a competitor, a brand that you admire, a brand that is successful and selling a lot. Like, go check out all their ads, and clearly, you know, you could then check back later, like this one in January, they're still running it. That's pretty good. And then are they still going to be running it? Clearly, this little thing right here was extremely popular because check it out. They ran this in January 29, and then just more recently, they did this version. So that was like, oh my gosh, a little bit over 2 weeks later, then they launched this one. And then they did it again with a different copy. See, our grain-free tortillas, the ultimate stun double to our favorite taco, blah, blah, blah. And this one says, Siete are grain-free, paleo, gluten-free, all this stuff. So this was probably so successful, now they're going to do has these action stuff there, and you're like, maybe I can do an ad like this. Because clearly if they've run it 4 different times, 4 different variations, it's probably not because it's a terrible ad.